Discover the latest JN0-214 exam dumps and practice free demo questions to ensure your success in the cloud. Associate, JNCIA-Cloud, Certification Exam. Understanding the Cloud. Associate, JNCIA-Cloud, JN0-214 Exam. Juniper Cloud Certification Track. JNCIA-Cloud Associate Level Certification. JN0-214 Exam Requirements. The Juniper Cloud Certification Track enables networking professionals to demonstrate competence with cloud networking architectures such as multiclouds, software-defined networking, SD-WAN, and other cloud technologies. This certification track is designed to validate an individual's understanding and expertise in Juniper's cloud-based networking solutions. The Cloud Associate, JNCIA-Cloud, is an associate-level certification in the Juniper Cloud track and is currently the only cloud certification available. It is designed for networking professionals who have introductory knowledge of Juniper Networks' cloud-based networking architectures, theory, and best practices. To earn the Juniper JNCIA-Cloud certification, you must take and pass the JN0-214 exam by completing the requirements below. Exam code JN0-214. Exam duration 90 minutes. Exam type 65 multiple choice questions. The latest JN0-214 dumps of DumpsBase play an important role in your preparation. We have the latest questions and answers, which have been verified by experienced professionals and successful customers. Choose DumpsBase. The Juniper JN0-214 exam dumps have been regarded as a dependable source for preparation as they provide a 100% passing guarantee inside the cloud. Associate, JNCIA-Cloud, JN0-214 exam in the very first attempt. One can easily check the quality and all the features of the Juniper JN0-214 dumps by reading our JN0-241 free dumps. We share 10 free demo questions online, which help you know much about DumpsBase's JN0-214 exam dumps and learn accordingly. 1. Which virtualization technique is used by containers? A. OS-level virtualization. B. Full visualization. C. Hardware-assisted virtualization. D. Paravirtualization. Answer. A. 2. Which two statements are true regarding isolated namespaces in Juniper Cloud Native Contrail Networking? CN2. Choose 2. A. Pods in isolated namespaces can only communicate with pods in the same namespace. B. Pods in isolated namespaces can reach services in non-isolated namespaces. C. Pods in isolated namespaces can only reach services in the same namespace. D. Pods in isolated namespaces can communicate with pods in non-isolated namespaces. Answer. A. C. 3. You must provide tunneling in the overlay that supports multipath capabilities. Which two protocols provide this function? Choose 2. A. MPLS-OUDP. B. VPN. C. VXLAN. D. MPLS-OGRE. Answer. A. C. 4. You want to limit the memory, CPU, and network utilization of a set of processes running on a Linux host. Which Linux feature would you configure in this scenario? A. Network namespaces. B. Slicing. C. Virtual routing and forwarding instances. D. Control groups. Answer. D. 5. Which component of Kubernetes runs on all nodes and ensures that the containers are running in a pod? A. Kube proxy. B. kubelel. C. Container runtime. D. Kube controller. Answer. B. 6. Which two statements are correct about containers? Choose two. A. Containers include the entire operating system. B. Containers reduce deployment efficiency. C. Containers have faster boot times than VMs. www*. D. Containers require an underlying operating system. Answer. C. D. 7. What are two Kubernetes objects? Choose two. A. Cluster. B. Namespace. C. Pod. D. Service. Answer. C. D. 8. Which two statements are correct about an overlay network? Choose two. A. The overlay network can only be built using a Layer 3 underlay network. B. The overlay network provides physical connectivity between devices. C. The overlay network is built using encapsulation tunnels. D. The overlay network is the virtual network used to connect multiple virtual machines, VMs. Answer. C. D. 9. Your company has a web app hosted in Kubernetes with a fluctuating number of pods. In this scenario, which Kubernetes service type would provide equal access to all nodes using a single URL? A. External name. B. Node port. C. Load balancer. D. Cluster IP. Answer. C. 10. Which two statements are correct about Kubernetes resources? Choose two. A. A deployment config is a Kubernetes resource. B. A daemon set ensures that a replica of a pod is running on all nodes. C. A cluster IP type service can only be accessed within a Kubernetes cluster. D. Node port service exposes the service externally by using a cloud provider load balancer. Answer. B. C.